So hello and welcome guys, welcome, happy new year to all of you, all the traders from around the world. We are here to discuss about the new strategy and we are here to discuss about the things like how to open the trades by using the strategy and all thing. So my name is Hemant Modi guys, welcome to the Olymp Trade's new consultation, new webinar of YouTube. So Olymp Trade is always providing you the strategies which is helping you and the webinars also, not only about the strategies, we are providing the webinars which is helping you to improve your trading stats, improve your trading results, and whenever you are going to do this kind of things, always you will get some better situations, better treatment in the trading as well. So let's not waste the time and a warm welcome to all of you guys again. A very happy new year to all of you guys from the entire team of Olymp Trade. Today we are going to discuss about the one strategy, the strategy called RODEO. What are the strategies? Strategies, however, I already start trading even in front of you. So guys, strategy is the technical tool, a computerized tool which is helping you to get some signals, and by using these signals you can open some trades and you will get some better results in the trading. However, remember one thing, again I am repeating this situation, strategies is not the guarantee of the success, but if you can use the strategy, at least you can understand from what is the side which is helping you to get the signal, how the trend is working from upward direction or the downtrend direction. You can watch it also. Strategies can provide you some better treatment by using the price actions of the candlesticks as well. So whenever you are doing this, you will have a chance to get some better results. I'm not saying it you will get the 100% profitability by using the strategies, but somehow if you are using it, it can be from 70 to 80 or 90%. So today we are going to discuss about the strategy called RODEO. How to set the strategy on your account. So okay, let's start from the beginning. What you want to do, you need to go to this section which is called technical analysis. If you are using the mobile application, then the technical analysis section is going exactly near to the asset price. Before providing all the details about the strategy, guys, I would like you to please understand one thing. If you have any questions, any feedback, any complaints, any doubt, I would like you to send all details in the chat box, and trust me, I will give you the reply of all your questions. So do not worry, I will not gonna run from any questions of yours, please. But if you can send me the details, then it would be helpful for me to give you the reply. Also one more thing, sir, please remember that I will give you all the replies in the last of the session. Once I finish this topic of the strategy, then we will discuss about all these things. So let's get back to the strategy. We are going to discuss about the RODEO strategy. RODEO is the counter trend strategy which is providing us a proper signal and situation which is the correction side. So we have two type of strategy. One is the trend strategy which we call, and second is the counter trend strategy. So we need to go here first of all to the technical analysis section. In the technical analysis section, whenever we are going to click the technical analysis, if you are in the computer application, it will showing you like this in the serials 1 2 3 4 5. However, if you are using the mobile application, it's going to be like in the similar condition on the nearby 1 2 3 4 5 on the direction. So you need to go to the strategy. Here you click to the strategies and you will have a chance to see many strategy. So if you are an starter status holder, then you will have a chance to get 8 strategy which is with the blue badge. If you are a advanced status holder, then you will have a chance to get this also 7 strategies which is with the green badge. And if you are the expert, because expert status is the most prestigious status of our department, I mean company, so for traders actually. So there is a expert strategy. So overall you will have a chance to get all 23 strategies over here. This strategy belongs to the fixed time trade as well as the forex also. So what you need to do, you need to click to the RODEO. Here is the RODEO strategy. Once I click to the strategy, there is a small window coming. Upon here you can see there is a small video of not more than 2.5 minutes even. This is a video belongs to the RODEO strategy, that how the strategy is working. Why I am showing this to you guys, because if you forgot the way which I provide you to strategy, And if you wanted to know about in short, you can check this video or this webinar which I'm right now presenting to you. You can this webinar video is still here in our Olymp Trade global channel. So below this video there is a basics and the components. We need to click to the enable strategy. Just wait please, it's taking a little bit time. Okay, the strategy is set on my account. Those who is not the expert status holder, for them what they need to do, they need to set the strategy manually. However, if you are setting the strategy manually, then you need to do some changes by your hand. So please check this one. Stochastic, which is with the parameter 14, 3 and 3 by default, MACD 26, 12 by 26 and 9. This is also by default. So what we need to do, first of all, from here we need to change the candlestick pattern, which is from Japanese candlestick to Heiken Ashi. Done. Then we need to go to the oscillator section. First we need to click to the stochastic. Then again add more tools and we need to click to the MACD. So as I mentioned you before guys, we need to change some settings from our own. So what we need to change, we need to go to the MACD and just change it from the histogram to the area chart. That's it. And your strategy is set for trading. So the strategy is belongs to the three things: Heiken Ashi candlestick, MACD and stochastic oscillator. So we need to follow the Heiken Ashi candlesticks and we need to check the signals of MACD as well as the stochastic, and when we are getting the signal from all three, then we can open the trade here. So first of all, let's discuss how this strategy is working and what is the MACD, what is the stochastic as well. So guys, let's discuss about the MACD. MACD is the trend following momentum indicator. The full name of MACD is moving average convergence and divergence. What we can do over here, how the MACD is working basically. MACD, if you can check, this is the horizontal line. If you can see over here, there is a horizontal line with the zero level. Here is the zero level. So MACD time to time crossing this horizontal line from down to up and up to down. Once it is crossing down, then we saw the trend is going downside, and once it's crossing from down to up, we see the trend is going upper side. You can check this way. Let me a little bit make it zoom for you, so it would be going to be easy for you. Yeah, you can see it. Once we see the MACD is below the horizontal line and we saw the trend is going downside. Once the MACD crosses the line and we saw the trend is going on the upper side. Remember one thing, how to found a trend which is dicey or not properly working or anything. In that situation, you can see that MACD is become flat. So once you see the MACD become flat, you will see the candles which is coming, maybe the shorter candle or one candle green, one candle red. So please do not accept it as a trend. Also, we have two lines over here. So with the MACD, if you can check, there is a two line, one green line and one red line. So the green line basically belongs to the MACD itself. As the MACD is moving, as this green line is also moving according to the MACD situation. However, the red line is a signal line. Now, what is the meaning of signal line? So this is very important, that how this MACD line crosses the red line. Because whenever we see the crossover has been done, then according to that situation, we can understand maybe there is a new trend coming and there is a chance to open a trade. I am trying to find other assets to open some trades and showing some results to you. But as you can see, the candles are very low and not so much trend I'm actually seeing. That's why I'm not here opening a trade. So also remember one thing, as much gap you find in between both line, means red and green, means a better signal. If you see the gap between both of line is very narrow, if there is no gap, so you easily can check the trend is flat, the MACD is flat and there is no trend, means trend is still not started for any. Below that we have oscillator called stochastic oscillator. Stochastic is what? Stochastic is basically an oscillator which is working with the conversion and diversion ratio. How it's working with the convergence and divergence situation? This is a bounded oscillator which is having a range of 80 to 20. This is a normal range. Basically, by default, we are just using it like 100 to 0. But in some other different asset, we are having some kind of this 80 to 20, 70 to 30, 100 to 0. I open a trade. Guys, remember one thing. We always have one kind of complaint that once I open the trade and my trend is going on opposite direction. The same happened with me over here. But why? Because if you can check this candle's having basically a trend from here. There is a level. The level which is not crossing this line to below, not allowing this chart to going below this line. And this level is not actually coming from here. Maybe if we can go on further out before, then we can see that this is somehow match with the previous candles also. So what I did actually over here, I open a trade with the hedging condition. So one trend up, one trend down. This is also cause of risky. This is my moral responsibility to provide you the detail for everything. Not only like the profitable trade. You need to understand. You need to understand the thing that where and how to open the trade. Because I use the risk-free trade. If I open the risk-free trade, then it means ki okay, no problem. There is a situation, there is a chance that I have a chance to recover my amount. And in case of risk-free trade, in case of unsuccessful trade, there is no tension of unsuccess, because if I lose, I will get my amount back in my account. So that's why I'm just starting the trade and showing you. Okay, again, there is a two line which is blue and red line in between this stochastic oscillator. This is also working as per the conversion and diversion theory. So at the starting point on upper side, you can see this is the 80 level. 80 level called overbought zone. If you see, whenever these both line, blue and red line, just crossing the trading area and enter to the overbought zone, that means the price of the asset is now somehow overboughted. Means now the condition and situation is that we can say the chances might be to trend is going down. So what we need to do, we need to wait for the signal, and once the blue line cross the red line and exit from the overbought zone, we can make a trade from here. In the downside, you can check there is a level of 20. The level of 20 called oversold zone. The meaning of oversold zone is, we can say the price of the asset is now oversold it. It's already down. So in that situation, what we can do, we can wait till this line is not crossed, the blue line not cross the red line, and exit from the oversold zone. And once we see it's ending from the exit from the oversold zone, then there is a chance to open a trade. So this is the basic theory. Let's come to the trading prospect. How to open the trade by using this strategy. Guys, remember one thing. We need to focus the trade according to the trend or counter trend. Because if there is no trend condition we find, and if we open the trade, that is going to be 100% risky. Trust me. So you do not bounded yourself only on a single asset or single timing. You can choose the timing according to your own wish, according to your own way, and open the trade by trading signal. However, I am always suggesting to the traders to open a trade with the proper fresh signal. What is the fresh signal? I open the trade, you can check that signal starts from here. The candle number 1, candle number 2, candle number 3 and candle number 4. The formation of the candles, remember, the formation of the candle always working like this. So when you are having a signal, start your trading with the fresh signal. Otherwise, there will be chances the trend, maybe the one candle can go in the wrong direction, and after maybe you will see the same direction trend, but you should not open the trade on the at least fourth candle or fourth signal. What is the signal over here? So what we saw here from here we see the candle is become red. But when we come down, we see the MACD is not crossed. However, the stochastic is already crossed, and entering to the trading area or exiting from the overbought zone. So this is the candle, basically the second red candle. If you can see over here, the second red candle is the important candle to open the trade. I opened the trade on the fourth candle and just I opened the trade and it reversed. Check this out. Oh, there is a reversal pattern start and unsuccessful trade. So if your trade is not going to be positive, don't be sad, don't be angry, check where the trend is working with patience. If you will open the trade in patience and without overconfident, without any kind of anxiety or all things, you will have a chance to recover your losses, guys. For upper trend situation, we actually need a signal which is, now see the candles, there is not too much strong candles. The candles are, this is called a doji candles, guys. In that situation, if we can open the trade, usually we the signal is okay. If you can check over here, the signal is completely fine. What we see here, the trend, the MACD crosses the line, the candle is green, the green line is also crossed the MACD line, the stochastic is also above the line, but actually this is not the high activity market period. So we usually open the trade whenever we saw the market activity period is high. Right now the candle is red, the both signals are, so one signal we are just lacking, the candle is red, otherwise the MACD and stochastic both are showing the signal for an upper side, but we shouldn't open the trade over here. So whenever you see the market activity is not too much high, what is the meaning of market activity is not high? Market activity high means whenever we are having a chance to open the trade with the trends. So whenever we see the situation, over here, we can open the trade. No signal at all till. If you are going to open the trade according to the strategies or according to the candle pattern, then you need to wait. The candle is red. If signal is not meeting with the candles, then I suggest you to not open the trade, because MACD many times showing you the signal like this, that the MACD is coming to near to the line, like here MACD sometimes coming near to the line and there is a reversal coming. If you could open the trade here for a upper trend, even on this candle, so now you see the trend, the candle is coming below the near to the opening price and it is not going upper side. So better to wait. Please understand this logic, guys. There is no rush to open the trade. We first of all need to found our profitable trades. If we lose the trades and if we are opening the trade in the anticipation of the conditions, like okay, I just wanted to open the trade without checking a signals, without checking a strategy, nothing is matching, and we saw that trend. Now it's completely showing in the cricket index, as you can see, the signals are working fine, but there is no market activity. Nothing is here. The one candle green, one candle red, one candle green, one candle red, and this is the point when you mostly losing the number of trades. This is actually the point where you actually lose the maximum number of trades. So please, you actually need to wait for the proper signal and proper condition. Yes, market can provide you. Don't be impatient and don't be overconfident with the market. Trust me. Now we are watching, yeah, there is a signal, stochastic is already crosses the line of blue line, MACD is near to cross. I expect that in the next candle, yeah, we have a signal. Let's open a trade. Now maybe this is go down, maybe this is go up, because as we already saw in the every asset, you can check it out over here, Euro USD, not so much too much activity in the market time. GBP USD working same. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, as we see. Remember one thing, stochastic or MACD, if the both things are working properly, like this thing, like here, down, up, down, that is a situation of the market activity scenario, proper market activity, a high market activity scenario. So at this situation, we are having a proper signal, so we can easily open 2-3 trades over here, 2 or 3 trades over here for upper trend, and again then we have a chance to we can open the 2-3 trades. But once we see the stochastic is just crossing the path in the middle of the 18 and 20 zone area, that means that the market is not working so much fine, so better to wait. Obviously, this is the time, which is the actually the current time when I'm providing you the consultation. This is the market, the lower time of the market. Why? Because nearby the situation, the European market is going to be closed, as well as American market is near to open, and also there is a condition of data, and usually at this time market activity is going low. So please try to avoid the trading in between these 1 hour as per Indian Standard Time from 6 to 7. Please remember, and if you can go by the UTC GMT plus 3, so that is actually around 3:30 to 4:30. Try to avoid trading at that time. Okay, so for downtrend strategy, if you wanted to open the trade for a downtrend, now this is a small signal we are coming, but it's still not crossing the line of MACD. Stochastic is down, perfect, but MACD is not crossing the line. So what you need to do, you just need to wait for this crossing. Once the MACD cross the line, and you need to check, candlestick should be red, because we are using whenever the candlestick of Heiken Ashi always working with the colors. So here color matters. Whenever we are working with the Japanese candlestick, if we are getting the signal from the indicator and oscillator, no worries, you can open the trade by that, because in the Japanese candlestick you can open the trade according to the open price and with the average. But here in the candlestick of Heiken Ashi, the color always matter. The candlestick should be red. MACD should be cross the horizontal level from and coming from upper to downside. Green line should cross the red line from up to down, and as we see, the stochastic is already reaching exit from the zone of overbought. So yes, there is a situation that we can open the trade. The timing we can choose as per the graph time. Also, if you sometimes open the trade by choosing the graph time of 1 minute, so always remember, as shorter time of trading or graph you choose, as much risky trading you are doing. If you feel that yes, 2-3 trades are going to be unsuccessful by using the shorter time frame, like 5 second, 15 second, 45 second, 30 second, 1 minute, then change the graph time first of all. If you can change the graph time, you can see I putting the graph time or 5 minute. So what exactly is happening, why we are getting the signal over there for a downtrend? Because as we saw, this is the line which is already reaching the overbought zone. If you put the graph time 5 minutes, then you need to open the trade with the time frame of minimum 10 minute to 15 minute. If you using the graph time of 1 minute, then you need to open the trade from 2 minute to 3 minute. This is a basic and average time frame. However, the general condition is saying that you can open the trade from 3 to 5 time higher than your graph time. Like if you are open a trade with the 1 minute time frame graph time, then you can open the trade from 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute till 5 minute. And if you open the trade with the 5 minute graph time, then 5 minute to 25 minute. This is the basic theory of the candlesticks. As higher graph you choose, as better price actions or better signals you will get. If you don't believe me, then try. Trust me. Try some trades in your account and then let me know on the next webinar. Because we always believe to open get the money very early. We always believe like okay, why should I just miss a chance to get a rich in a 5 second? But trust me, it's not working like that. there is not so many chances like this कि okay we are getting a signal and we are just having a chance to get in 5 minutes, 5 second, 30 second, 15 second. And please do not forget the levels. Do not forget the levels. Maybe the strategy can show you the signal for downtrend or upward trend. But whenever we see the candle is not crossing the way, like you see here, there is a red candle start from over here and it's coming down, 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 and from this part the candle coming down and it's reversal point. And after that what happened? There is a candle of uncertainty. From where it comes? You can see it over here. This is also the situation. And from behind if I go, we can check this out also from the many time. So the current candle, this red candle, here is the two green candle, and from there this is actually a proper level. Maybe you can see the trend is showing for a downtrend according to the strategy, but for going down the candle should be open below this level. If the candle is opening below this level, then we can say कि yes, there will be a downtrend situation. So what is the condition? Oh, lost. No worries. Check one by one every. Is we get signal or is we not getting? Right now as we are here, there is no signals. Remember one thing, strategy is not working every time and 100%. Please, this is a condition like when we are opening the trade, the strategy is a thing like this is just like we have a football team or just like we have a cricket team and we have many players on the team. Everyone, each and everyone is working. Maybe sometimes one best batsman is of the world is just out on the zero, or maybe the best striker of the football team like Messi or Ronaldo, even they are not having a chance to make a goal. It doesn't mean that they are a bad player. Change the strategy, change the time frame, change the method and open the trade again. And if you still checking that okay 2-3 trades you open and you saw that after even the signal you are getting the unsuccessful trade, that means boss, the market is stuck. Market is not working properly. As you can see over here, there is not too much movement in the market. Stop your trading, drink a coffee or whatever you like, evening time or whatever the time, wait for the right moment, open the graph and again start the trading. So as I see that there is not too much signals I found over here, so I am not going to open too many trades because I don't want to lose my money, bro. Let's check till the end. If we are getting something, then we will open the trade. Otherwise, manually I will teach you that how to open the trade by using this strategy on the phase of the counter trend system. One by one, I'm trying to reach the areas, but as I see, most of the time either the assets are near to the level side or there is not too much signal I can found. Here FTSE also not working properly. GBP, JPY. Let's try here. Okay, so remember, this is 100% wrong way to open the trade. Why so? Check this out. Candle green, okay, signal number 1. MACD is above the line, okay, signal number 2. But MACD already crossed the red line. MACD already crossed the red line. That means nearby situation, maybe there is a reversal. However, maybe this trade is going to be positive because the trading is not in our hand to make every trade positive, but maybe it's going to be positive, but unnecessary, as we already know, the signal is already reaching, the stochastic line is already reaching to the overbought zone. That in that situation, if we are opening the trade, that is quite risky. So how to open the trade? By using the RODEO strategy. Again, I am repeating with the proper idea. All right. As soon you see the stochastic is enter the exit from the overbought zone. I am providing the details according to the upper side trend. So, okay, this is coming up and we saw MACD crosses the line over here. Candle is green, MACD is above the line. The cross has been done with the green line and red line. Stochastic is entering in the trading zone. We can open the trade on this candle, first candle. In the downtrend situation, now you can see it over here. We saw the signal on this candle. On this candle. But again, if you can check, the green line is already reached the oversold zone. So we shouldn't open the trade at this situation. So we need to open the trade as soon as we get all three signals equal. Here, check this. The candle is red. MACD already below the line and green line is already crossed the red line, and stochastic exit from the overbought zone and enters the trading area, and we can open the trade over here. So this is the basic things of the strategy, that how to open the trade. However, if you wanted to open the trade in Forex, you can open the trade in Forex. In Forex, what you need to do, you need to change the graph time at least minimum 15 minutes to 4 hour maximum. If you can choose the graph time 15 minutes or 30 minutes, the same situation, same condition can be applied for here. You can open the trade like the same. Okay. So, okay, gold is already reaching. Nice. And once we see the signal, and as much graph time you choose, you can see, if I can put the graph time of 1 minute, beautifully we can see the signals which is working fine in the any strategy. Some tips for the strategy. Remember, I already mentioned it. A high market activity period means a better signal. What is the high market activity period? Once we saw the stochastic and MACD working smoothly and providing us a signal from the overbought and oversold zone, all three signals and all three situations are matching properly, then we can use a signals which is going to be high time in the asset. If you see one asset is not providing you the signal, then maybe the condition is like once you see the candles like this, small candles, and even the signal is MACD is working, stochastic is working, but we are getting the signal which is very small, candles are uncertain, please don't open the trade and change the asset. At the moment of important economic news, avoid trading, please, because this time whenever this news are coming, it can be influence the market, and suddenly what happened, there is a high volatile candles are coming. So try to not open the trade in this situation. Please wait till the market become settle and open the trade again. Whenever you open the trade, go with the profitability of the 80% scenario. Choose the asset which is providing you the profitability of minimum 80% till 93%. Why? When you see the trend, whenever you find the signal, open the trade. Don't only focus with the high profitability, because sometimes there is no moment or high volatility can be expect from this kind of situation. Now there is one situation I would like to tell you guys. There is a condition which is called a loss compensation system. Loss compensation system means if we are having a loss on the trade, then there is a chance to recover the amount. How it is work? You can check my trades. Right now here, as the market condition was not so good, so I'm getting some losses. Overall, if you can check my trades, I always recover my amount and getting a profitability. How to working with this situation? So I can explain you according to the $1,000 theory. If you have your balance in your $1,000 in your account, open the trade with the 1% amount, which is $10. First trade should be from the $10. If your $10 trade has become positive, then please continue the trade with the $10. Do not change the amount of the trade. Please don't change the amount of the trade. And if you lose the trade, the first trade, then open the trade with the double amount of the first trade, and it's going to be $20. If the $20 trade is going to be positive, then what happened? If the $20 trade is going to be positive, then you will have a chance to recover your amount like this. I open the trade with the 100 USDT. I lose the trade and I open the trade again with the higher amount, and I recover my $100 as well as I'm getting the $60. So if your second trade has become positive, then what you need to do? Again start the trade with the $10. If your two trades are going negative, then what you need to do, please remember to change the asset. If you want, you can change the strategy. Maybe you can change the time frame and graph time as well, and open the third trade with the $40. If your $40 trade is going to be positive, then you will have a chance to recover the amount from the last two trades, as well as you will have a chance to get some profitability in your account as well. Maybe your third trade is also going to be negative, then open the last trade, which is the fourth trade. The last trade amount is going to be 10, 20, 40, $80 to maximum $100. Why 80 to 100? Because it depends on the profitability. If you open the trade with the $80 and you choose the graph time asset, which is 80%, then you will not have a chance to recover your loss of the three trades. Then what we need to do, we need to open the trade with the $100. If you open the trade with the 90% profitability, then you can open with the $80 also. So if your fourth trade is going to be positive, then you will have a chance to recover all the amount. But there is a situation, maybe you will get all four unsuccessful trades. So there is a two reason behind of this. One reason is maybe you are doing the same mistakes in the trading which is you are already did before, and second is only you are not responsible for your unsuccessful trade. Market also become bad or volatile, as you already see right now. I am doing trading in front of you. On the last weekend, I remember when I opened the trade, I got the 80% profitability, but now not, because it depends on the market. So don't blame yourself. And after 4 unsuccessful trades, please stop your trading. Please stop your trading. Take some rest, break, so you can overcome from your emotions and again start the trading with the $10. Do not open the trade with the higher of 100, like 200, 400. In that situation, you can vanish your account, bro. Please don't do this. And some basic things also. After 2 unsuccessful trades, please stop the trading on the same asset, change the timing, change the strategy, change the graph time. And formula number 4, our emotions is always effect in the trading. After 4 or 5 positive trades, we think that we are invincible and we can't lose, and we are trying to more and more and keep our higher momentum. So, and after that more lose unsuccessful trade, we become frustrated. So please, after 4 positive or 4 or 5 positive trades or 4 or 5 negative trades, please close your trade for some time, take a small break. You can choose the break time according to you, and after that come back and open the trade. Okay, so it's question answer time. All right, Narayan ji, hello, namaskar. Durgesh ji, good evening. Narayan ji, wish you the same. Okay, thank you so much sir. फेसबुक ये घटिया ऐप है, मेरे दोस्त का अकाउंट ब्लॉक कर दिया. सर आपके दोस्त का अकाउंट ब्लॉक कर दिया, आप कमेंट कर रहे हैं, कोई ना कोई तो रीज़न रहा होगा. एक शेर है, कुछ तो कमियां रही होंगी हमारे अंदर भी, हर कोई यूँ बेवफा नहीं होता. मैं माफ़ी चाहता हूँ आपके दोस्त को जो परेशानी उठानी पड़ी उसके लिए, बट कृपया करके प्रॉपरली एक बार सपोर्ट टीम से कांटेक्ट कीजिए. ज़रूर उन्होंने कोई रूल ब्रेक किया होगा या अकाउंट वेरीफाई नहीं किया होगा, जिसकी वजह से अकाउंट ब्लॉक हुआ. सर 7 साल से मैं यहाँ पर अपना अकाउंट चला रहा हूँ, आज तक कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आया. बेगाना व्यान, गुड इवनिंग. राजू जी, हेलो. I always look opportunities in Asia and other composites because they have good momentum. What is pros and can you please clarify? Yeah, sir, remember one thing, we feel that we are comfortable with particular asset, but when you check the history of your trading and you see that that asset which is you feel very comfortable, that is the cause of your losses. So please don't go according to the comfortability of yours, because we always try to think that we can move this market according to us. Unfortunately, this is not happening. Again, I am repeating, understand the way. Let me show you something. This is the normal candlestick, which is called Japanese candlestick. We have 3 type of trends. One is upper trend, one is downtrend, and one is trend which is called a sideway, which is going in kind of range. But in that sideway trend, this kind of candles we are always getting. One candle green, one candle red. If we are bounded ourselves in a one asset, and if we get this kind of signals only, right now which you can see in front of my screen, and we just very feel comfortable by to open the trade in this asset, but there is no trend, there is no signal. What we can do in that condition? But we have a habit to open the trade. So we opened the trade and we got losses. Most of us, trust me, most of us are getting the losses in the same kind of situation. So please do not bound yourself only in the composites or anything. Whenever you find a trend, upper trend, down trend, moving trend, sideways trend, open the trade. We just need to focus only on the maximum number of profitable trade rather than maximum number of high percentage of the asset. Please, this is my suggestion. Rest is up to you. In which mode of you trading you have more amount of money? Is it FTT or Forex? Yeah, actually FTT is quite risky, because sometimes whenever we open the trade and we have a particular time frame which is started from 5 seconds to maximum 23 hours. But if I open the trade on 23 hour, maybe the trade is going to be, trade was in positivity till 22 hours 58 seconds, and maybe on the last second, if the trade is just below my opening price, I have a chance to lost my trade. But in case of Forex, when you open a trade, you have a chance to take that trade as long as you want, as well as the profitability is in your hand. Right now, as you can see, I opened this trade in gold on 27th of December, and you can check the amount. The amount is $1,000. The amount is $1,000 which I opened, and now as you can see that I still having a 84% profitability. If I want, I can close this trade now. But usually I am putting the trailing stop loss or stop losses things, so that can actually bounded my losses condition and getting me in more profitable situation. So yes, Forex is a less risky than fixed time trade, but fixed time trade can provide you money a little bit faster. Okay, best trade time in India. Sir, the best trade time, by using the strategy, you can open the trade anytime. But usually what we can say, Indian time, as per the Indian time, the 12:30 afternoon to 10:30 evening time is a good time. But this 1 hour, 6 to 7 is a little bit crucial. Please remember. Middle East Vlog 2110. Hello, sir. I had a huge loss with. Sir, I can suggest you to please contact to the support team, and they will help you to provide some education program. And please continue watching this our webinars, because earning without learning is not possible. As much you learn, you will get a chance to become a better and best. Hello, Red Hat sir. How many fixed Forex trade I can open in 24 hours? You can open unlimited trade in 24 hours. There is no foundations. Don't worry. I'm first time here. What about this channel is? This channel is belongs to the Olymp Trade broker, sir. And we are providing some kind of learning webinar every week, twice, to our viewers to get some knowledge about trading. Thank you so much. इंडिया के लोग हिंदी समझते हैं सर, प्लीज़ हिंदी बोलिए. आपकी बात सही है ओमकार जी, एंड ये बात मुझे म्यूज़िक लवर भाई साहब ने भी बोली थी, लेकिन आप रॉन्ग चैनल पे हैं. अगर आप हिंदी की चैनल को हिंदी में कंसल्टेशन लेना चाहते हैं तो हमारा चैनल है, प्लीज़ सर्च करें ओलम ट्रेड इंडिया के नाम से. ओलम ट्रेड इंडिया पे आप जाएंगे तो वहाँ पर आपको ये हिंदी चैनल हमारा मिल जाएगा. कृपया करके ओलम ट्रेड इंडिया पे आप जाइए, वहाँ से आपको इसकी डिटेल मिल जाएंगी. ये जो चैनल है इस पे इंग्लिश में और अदर लैंग्वेज में ही कंसल्टेशन होते हैं. क्षमा चाहूँगा आपसे. टैग लाइफ, हाउ डिड यू टुक दिस डाउन ट्रेड ऑन गोल्ड? व्हाट वर द थिंग्स यू टुक बिफोर डिसाइडिंग इट विल गो डाउन? सर, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द लेवल्स एंड नंबर्स. If you are in trading, you need to understand and you need to learn the pattern of the trade. You can check the pattern. I'm just putting the graph time of one day, and what we saw, the 2100 range of the gold is always crucial. So it's usually repeating the history every time, and again this has happened. Last time on the 4th of December, it stuck to the very higher side to the 2146, taking all the stop losses, eating all the stop losses. But what is the closing price? The closing price is 2026, means below 2126, and also the level. So this is the thing. Here you can check, like you need to understand the technical levels. For this, you need to understand the fundamental analysis. Definitely. If you wanted to learn, there is a help section. You can learn yourself. In the help section, there is a help center. If you go to the help center, then we have 3 sections over here. First is user guide, which belongs to your account related things. Then there is a trading tutorials. In the trading tutorials, everything is there. Forex guide, fixed time trade guide, strategies of fixed time trade and Forex as well, risk and money management, fundamental technical analysis, how to working with the chart, Japanese candlestick, drawing tools, indicator, oscillator, trading advices, each and everything is there. So you need to understand the fundamental analysis for the market news. Okay. Mr. Elvis, hello sir, I am seeing you are already in the level 12. So after passing this level 9, you can't do risk-free trade, or how does it go about? No. After level 9, there is a risk-free trade on level 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 28. All right. So, time to say bye-bye, guys. Again, a best of luck for your trading. I hope that you like the webinar. Please always trade with proper mindset and positivity. ट्रेंडिंग विजुअल, एक मैसेज को भाई साहब आप 10 बार कॉपी पेस्ट करके डालोगे सवाल को, लेकिन ये सवाल है क्या, आप खुद ही समझ लीजिए। सर आज का जो न्यूज़ है वो ठीक है क्या? कौन सा न्यूज़? कौन सा न्यूज़? पेट्रोल पंप की हड़ताल हो रही है उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं क्या? भाई साहब न्यूज़ तो बताओ। आप मुझसे सवाल, एक सवाल को आप कॉपी पेस्ट करके 10 बार डाल दिए हो, लेकिन सवाल क्या है सरकार? और प्लीज़ मेरी निवेदन है कि यहाँ ये जो चैनल है ये हिंदी चैनल नहीं है, तो कृपया करके हिंदी चैनल पर अपने जो आप हिंदी में जो सवाल हैं उनको आप वहाँ डाल सकते हैं, जो भी आपकी परेशानी है। दिस चैनल इज बिलोंग्स टू द इंग्लिश चैनल। मैं कभी कभी ट्राई करता हूँ कि आपको जवाब दे दूँ। ऑलराइट गाइस, तो बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका। पुनः आपसे विदा लेता हूँ यहाँ पर। अगले हफ्ते, अगले बुधवार को शाम को 6:30 बजे, सॉरी, वी विल मीट नेक्स्ट वीक ऑन एट 6:30 PM ऑन नेक्स्ट वेडनेसडे विद द न्यू स्ट्रेटजी, न्यू थिंग्स। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर attending this webinar. Have a nice day. Please take care and best of luck.